how to add multiple routines widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on widgets at the bottom. Now scroll down. Then in here, tap on mods and routines. Next, we scroll down, then drag the multiple routines widget to your home screen and let go. Now you can also resize your widget and then tap anywhere outside the box to save the changes. To edit your routines, touch and hold, then tap on settings. In here, tap on routines on the left hand side and you'll be able to add in more routines if you want to do so. So tap on add routine and then choose what you want to do. So here I can choose to turn Wi-Fi on or off, and then tap on done. Then tap on save, and then tap on done. Now I can add in one more routine. So this time we will tap on display and change dark mode. Then tap on done, then tap on save, then tap on done. And that's it. So now if I go back to my home screen, you can see here it will show 4 routines, and I will adjust the size of my widget. So if I tap on that, that will allow me to turn on or turn off dark mode quickly directly from my home screen. Here I can switch Wi-Fi off or turn it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.